Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to silk press your old wig like a pro. Sit back, relax, and watch the magic. So I'll first wear the wig on a proper mannequin because the previous one can't hold the hair very well.
What does perfect even mean?
After that, I'll apply some oil. I really don't apply anything aside this oil on my hair. Even when I wash it, I just apply a few drops of it. It moisturizes it. You know what moisturizer does to your skin? Yeah, that's what this oil does to my hair.
Up all the rules and imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with this.
So I'll pack the hair up after applying the oil. I can't understand people that just go in with their straightener and start straightening your hair. Like, oh my god, I can't. You're supposed to do that in sections, like in small portions, in small sections. I don't know what other English to use. So I'm going to start from the very bottom, Yes. So I'm going to do it section by section. I'll just let you guys watch. This is a blunt cut, but I like wearing it as a bob. Some days I do wear it as blunt cut, so I'll just, do my thing and let you guys watch. It's best for you to straighten your hair in small sections because it's less stressful. Like, why would you just go with your straightener like that and start, Anyways, that's why this video is up today. You all need to correct that. I don't want to say that on YouTube again, okay? I don't want to say it on YouTube again. I'm just going to play music, guys, and and let you guys watch the magic. This is an old wig. I bought this wig. It's been like 2 years now. I'm supposed to have clips, but I can't find them, so I'll just make do with what I have.
Imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside.
It's very easy for you to silk press your hair in sections. Like, it makes the work less stressful.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
When holding your straightener, please don't make it too tight. Just gently press it on the hair and then pull it downward. If you're making the hair into a blunt cut, you don't need to bend your hand.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. emotions, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live in.
After that, the next thing I do is use my got2b spray to like make the tiny hair on the lace closure flat. Yeah, that's just what I do. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, so clean, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.